So update on the 240. Took out all the intake manifold stuff. This is a S13 engine. It's going to be getting upgraded to all the S14 parts. So wiring harness and everything else should work with everything. Started putting the exhaust manifold on. Everything's looking good with it. And then hopefully today we'll get the whole rest of the exhaust on this guy. Alright, here we go. We got the exhaust manifold on. Now we have the test pipe. It's an ISR test pipe to put on. And then I got an HKS street exhaust. We don't really want this thing to be super loud, but need something to put on here. And this one looks like it'll fit the bill pretty nicely. Comes with all the mounting hardware and everything else. Should fit this guy nicely. Alright, well, I was a gasket and a little bit of hardware short for putting all my stuff together. Went to Napa and was able to find this gasket, which will work with the HKS exhaust system. So we'll get under the car and start putting it together. Here we go. We got the full exhaust on the car. And I don't know, I think it looks pretty good. It's not a big can or anything. The idea is not to blow eardrums out with this thing, just to have something that'll be fun and have a nice tone to it. So hopefully this will achieve that for me. And yeah, I think it looks pretty good. Alright, now that we got the exhaust all done, we are going to replace the clutch line here with a braided one, and we have a new master or slave cylinder that'll go in there. I already kind of cut the bottom line down there, drained it into a soda can, and I got one of the ISR, I call it like a auto to manual conversion kit. But this should have all of the parts to connect straight from the master to the slave. Alright, we got the ISR clutch line loosely put in on that side, have it draped up around the top. And then I have a new XCD clutch slave cylinder here. Put the AN fitting on there already. We'll put this on the back side of the transmission there, and then we will connect the other AN line, and we'll get some fluid going and have a working clutch system in this thing. Alright, we got the line connected all the way across. We have the new slave cylinder down there. Do have to run to the store and get some fresh brake fluid for this thing. And then we'll bleed the system, but should have a working clutch.